Hi folks, today's theme is melt stress. So we're not learning anything difficult today. We're just going to learn something really peaceful and calm and lovely so that we can just relax into it, breathe with it, and then get playful with it if you want to. Start to turn it into your own. So what I've got written here is ding, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 and 2, 3. Playing left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Nice and simple. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Of course, you can move that around if you want to. But I encourage you to really allow space and repetition, even as you start to explore. Just really enjoy the sustain of the instrument, the depth of the instrument. Feel into your body. Listen as the note fades and see if you can hear it right to the end, to where it stops sounding. The sustain is longer than you think, right? And you can move some more. Got an extended scale, you can start to utilize bass notes, like so. I went wrong there. I'm going to explore that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2. I'm changing this first note here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3. I like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 Seeing how I'm being really intentional with how I fill the space when I do choose to add more. It's not much. So even as I start to explore here, I'm always coming back to what the original melody was. So I invite you to take your time with it, really take your time with it, lean into how it feels, lean into the sounds of the instrument itself so that you can have that two-way conversation. Tune in with your body, your shoulders, your breath, your feet, all of everything. See how you're feeling. Take 5 minutes to just breathe within that pattern. And then if you want to get playful with it, then start to explore and see what melodies you find. If you find stuff that you like and you want to share, and you are in the WhatsApp group, you can get there through Patreon. Please do share it with the group. We'd love to see it. If you're not in the group, you can share it on Instagram, tag me. Otherwise, yeah, have fun and have a wonderful day.